Facilitating sessions with Microsoft Whiteboard. Whiteboard offers features that can help you facilitate sessions more effectively. When preparing a whiteboard, you can lock objects in place. This prevents others from moving them, giving you more control over content. You can set a time limit for an activity. Just use the timer functionality to display a timer. Timing activities can help keep teams on task and on track. Use the follow functionality to direct session participants focused on the content being discussed. You can also use the laser pointer to draw attention to specific areas of the board. These are just some of the many whiteboard features that help you facilitate and collaborate more effectively. Thank you for watching us.